This is looking way too high for me, boys. Fucking dying. You too! I couldn't keep it stock. We're installing the world's most expensive coilovers on my C33, which is a 240. Can't wait to show you guys. We're gonna get into this. I hope it doesn't take me too long. It should be straightforward. But I just wanted to give you guys actually like a quick review on this. I really want to tell you guys how it rides, because I know a lot of other people are cheaping out. But you gotta go with the most expensive brand, you know? The most expensive brand out. What the fuck?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
First install on the dream car. So basically, we need to take the wheels off. I chose to start in the back because I felt like it was gonna be easier. Whoa, don't look at that. We're not on that yet. We're not on that. But basically, I already took off a couple of these tabs and pins. We need to get... Dang, can you guys see? Can't see, but we need to get back there. I already moved this. I already took out the bolts on this one. See, I got that snap-on drip on. Come on, man. Like, what the hell I hurt the snap-on? But yo, let's get this going, you guys. Pretty straightforward. There's 2 bolts at top in the trunk. 1 bolt right here at the bottom. We have a camber arm, a caster arm, and tension rod or toe. Yeah, toe arm. Pretty straightforward. I felt like the back was gonna be harder because I had to touch all these trim pieces, so we started in the back. There it is. You guys get a better view. It's right there, that little top hat with the cover on. That is literally a 12 mil. We're gonna go in 12 mil and we're gonna do God's work. I swear to God, these things came loose. I'm really deep up in the car right now, in the spare tire well. Now we're at the bottom. Since we loosened up both top bolts, I basically have to drop this bolt right here at the back. Don't know what size that is. Let's figure that out real quick. Thinking 14. Not a 14. Gotta be a 16. Whoa. That'd be a 17. Oh, there's a washer on it. Okay, that's good to know. It's good to know. Old trusty mallet. Out just like that. I hope I don't have to drop this upper control arm to get up in there. It's looking like I'm gonna have to. Thank you. No, I did it. You guys, I love when shit works out like that. Took the bolts out from the top over there. Take off this wheel that probably hasn't been taken off in years. Some cobwebs back here. Just like that, boys. I'll zoom into this. Yeah, I kind of heard a clunking on this side, so that's interesting. I wonder how this looks over here. And it was small. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, like this one's way better. Interesting. Do a quick size comparison. I actually did spin some of these down already because it came like this in the box, basically shorter. But like, holy freaking shit. That's probably like a good 2 inches right there, and there's still more adjustability to go down to make it taller, to bring it back to like actually stock height. But no, we're not doing that. We're gonna spin it up some, but like, geez, that's a total difference right there, you guys. Let's go ahead and put in all this freaking talking. Over here, just trying to get these things to line up. I measured, these are about 24 3/4 to the top. I'm trying to drop like 2.5 inches. So I'm trying to go to like the top of 22.5. Yeah, I'm thinking about going with 22 even. Okay, so here we go. I can't reach under the car and in the trunk to put the freaking bolts on at the same time. So I'm gonna have to get the jack and try to jack it up. Sick. Just gotta get both top bolts on both sides. I'm gonna grab the jack and move it. Almost done with the rear. Damn, this trunk is huge. I am fully sitting in this shit. Oh, I got in the trunk without jacking up this side. Fucking dying. There's way more space over here, so I'll show you guys. Basically, we're going all the way back there, screwing these bolts on. They are size 13s, and my stock ones were size 12, which is kind of weird. I don't know why they went up a little bit bigger. Go ahead with that. Remember, after a coilover install, you should always go back about 2 to 3 days after and tighten all the bolts again because they can come loose. Just trying to do things the correct ways nowadays, boys. That's good. Push that shit back over there. We're gonna keep all this loose. But the rears are freaking done. Rears are in. Honestly, this is looking way too high for me, boys. Way too high. It's just like, I wasn't trying to dump the back because there's still these fat tires on the front. So I'd have that shit looking like this. Like, nah. But we'll see. I'm gonna tighten up this bottom bolt, move to the front. So quick rundown on what this looks like in the front now. God, I love when these suspensions are set up like this. Literally the 2 camber bolts, that's it. Top 3 bolts, that's it. Now, God, I love when these suspensions are like this. This is pretty easy. Looks like we have a lower control arm right here that almost has like a caster. I'm not too sure what that is. Tie rods. So basically, if we want to camber the front, extend the lower or get a longer lower or an adjustable lower, and could almost adjust some camber here too, because this is how I did on the Civic. Basically, you would slot the coil. Basically be able to move the hub back and forth, maybe use a smaller bolt and so on. And also there would be top mount camber adjustments. Obviously it's the stock, there isn't, but on the new coils there is. But geez, these setups are so easy and I love when they do this. So let's get into it. guys, this has to be one of the easiest installs I've ever done. Knock on some fucking wood. Not even a 14 now. A freaking 15? Okay. Let's put this shit back together. Boys, let's do it. Feel like I need to lower the rear more, but damn, these 195/65s are huge. Just need to bolt up the bottom on both sides. But YouTube, if you know me, I had to take a quick smoke break. But this thing's almost done. There it is. Okay, you guys, this is it. This is it. Yo. So you guys, the camera died, but I finished putting all four on. I definitely have to do some adjustment. Definitely think the front's a little tad too low for the fat tires we have on right now, and the rear is definitely too high. But God, you guys, it looks so good, just lowered. It looks like a mini boat, and I love it. But we are going to the lab right now. We need to get some tires flipped. I'm only doing 3 out of 4. What an idiot. But that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go test this out. So we're driving. Just doing the damn thing. It's kind of smooth. Okay, you guys, I'm at the lab right now. Just got my tires mounted. I just thought I'd stop by and let you guys know. Yo, this shit is driving pretty smooth. I won't even lie to you. I did name this the most expensive coilover install, or coilover on the market, I mean. But you guys, for the price, they've been riding pretty good. I've driven about 6 to 10 miles. I know it's not a lot, but godly, for the price, you get what you pay for, and it's riding pretty decent. I'm definitely gonna upgrade later on because Dream Car should be getting the best of everything. Oh my God, I love this. But thanks for tuning in, you guys. We got so much more coming. Just wait on it.